Get ready to slay this Christmas holiday with this bold red lip tutorial for that party and this nude lip for that Christmas gathering. Yes, so I used Avour lipstain in the shade 48 and 51. Don't worry, I'll just leave it in the description box. So if this is your first time of watching us, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to help us grow, and share this video, please, please, and please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting us. Enjoy the rest of the video. So after applying the Avour lip stain on the lips, I used the Avour concealer to define the lip shape and clean up any smudges and create a sharp polished look. Just look at that. If you want to watch how I created the nude lip, click the link up here to watch how I created that nude lipstick. And you can also check my description box, I'll leave the link there. After highlighting it, I used my brush to blend it out, and this is what we have, guys. Look at that leaves, look at that ombre leaves. I love this. Let me know what you love about this red leaves. Would you do the red leaves or go for the nude leaves? Let me know, because I don't know. For me, I just like this nude leaves. I love the nude leaves. Let me know which of them you would like to rock this Christmas. And until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.